They hit the Philippines. And they also went to Wake Island. VMF 211 was based at Wake Island under the command of Hammer and Hank Elrod. Hammer and Hank had 12 F-4F Wildcats out there. When the Japanese hit, 7 of those aircraft were destroyed almost instantly. But over the next couple of days, the other 5 aircraft continued to fight against the aggressors. Up to the 23rd of December, they fought valiantly. When they lost all of their aircraft, Commander Elrod put together a beach invasion protection force. And up to the 23rd, they fought against the Japanese, sinking the first 4 Japanese ships of World War II. Captain Elrod, who died on Wake Island, was posthumously awarded the Medal of Honor. His main unit, which was back at Marine Corps Air Station Yuma, lost all but 1 aircraft on December the 7th, 1941. High above, you can see the aircraft. Think of the smoke. 183 aircraft attacked the field that morning. As a result,